Hi, Aiden here, and I'm the founder of Expansively. As you can see, I'm not sure why I haven't changed the banner yet, but we're pretty much a B2B code email and lead generation company, and pretty much just book up your sales calendar for you. And then yeah, that's pretty much what we do. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you a quick case study about how you can use YouTube to go ahead and get clients, and just kind of show you how easy it is to rank on YouTube if you use my tactics. So I've kind of been doing YouTube for a year now, actually. Wow. So I just realized it's been about a year. So yeah, I used to run this cash cow channel. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here, but yeah, this channel I run, like, it's in the crypto niche, and I've slowed down on it a lot for the most part, just simply because crypto is just not doing too hot right now. So the CPM is just terrible, right? Like, if you go ahead and look at the CPM here, it's only like 357, but if you go ahead and look back a while back, yeah, the CPM's got pretty high. So yeah, things have changed, unfortunately, but yeah, maybe I'll get back to it. But the point is that this channel, I'm still getting about 150 views a day, right? And I haven't posted in this channel in like probably 3 weeks now, right? So and then before that I hadn't posted in like a month. So how am I still getting views? The reason why is because I ranked my videos for SEO, right? So like this video, if you come over and look at it, right, this is about Play to Earn games, and as you can see, it's just gone a steady stream of views, right? So now I'm at 6,000 views, right? So as you can see, most of the traffic has just come from YouTube search, and the way I did it is, all I did was, I use a tool, right? So the two main ones are TubeBuddy and then VIDIQ. And me personally, I like VIDIQ more because just the $10 a month feature, it has pretty much everything you need. So if you look here, I selected keywords, and then if I don't want to do it here because it's going to delete the tags because VIDIQ is kind of buggy, but
zap zap zap.
Yeah, so before I had like a YouTube automation channel and I had like contractors hired to do it, but yeah, as you can see, I'm ranked for a whole bunch of keywords here, right? So what VidIQ does is it tells you, straight from the video, based on your tags, what keywords you're ranking for, right? So if you search up NFT games on mobile, if I go to Brave browser, and Brave browser pretty much is just like as incognito browser as you can get, right? So like all the search results, it's based off of like a fresh profile. So if I go ahead and search, as you can see here, NFT games on mobile, right? What's the first video that pops up is, my video, and this channel, it only has what, 3,300 subscribers compared to this guy. It's ranking above a video that has 135,000 views, right? It's ranking above a video, a brand new video. This video is 3 months old, right? It's ranking above a video that has 2,500 views. It's ranking above a video that has 9.7 thousand views, right? That is the same age. And this channel, Inspector Mindblow, he has 20 times the amount of subscribers that my channel, Crypto Cash Out, has, right? So how is this the case, and how does this apply to your business? Well, think about it, right? First off, if crypto goes back up and the CPMs go back up to what they used to be, I'm no longer getting the $2 BS RPMs for 1,000 views. I'm getting like $20 to $30 per 1,000 views, right? So my earnings just from CPM from YouTube would just go up. But aside from that, once crypto becomes trending again, right? When people are trying to buy NFT games, think about the NFT games I could promote. Like if you're doing an NFT marketing service, right? If you have an NFT agency, a Web3 service, or just anything related to money, right? Now you have this audience that you could use. So case study I wanted to show you guys here was actually from my own personal channel, right? So this channel, like I said, I've been doing YouTube since December of last year for about a year now. So now take a look at this channel, right? So this is a channel that I aged myself. personally. So this channel, it's technically about how old? It's technically about 9 months old, but I haven't really posted on it. And then I just, these 2 videos haven't gotten a lot of views, but what I did is, I literally, this is just an AI bot video, right? So let me show you. So I went ahead and created a video script using AI, and then I had, a text-to-speech go ahead and talk about it for me, right? And then look here, I'm ranking for, different keywords, right? So this particular video, it honestly didn't do too well. Like, this was my first time posting on this channel, so I didn't really know what to do. So, but yeah, this one mostly gets suggested views, but yeah, this one, you look here, right? It's about wholesale and retail dropshipping, and this channel I have not monetized yet, but yeah, if you take a look here, right, it's also another like AI video. It's pretty obvious, right? But look, if you look up retail dropshipping, what do you think the first thing that pops up is, right? Well, it's the second thing now, but yeah, look, 213 views, ranked right up there with 1 million views, 592,000, 2.9 million, 25,000, 186,000, 1.1 thousand, 1.1 million, right? So yeah, and like I said, this channel is not even monetized yet. And then just so you guys have an idea, every month there's 1,100 people searching just on this single keyword alone, right? So and then for retail versus wholesale, there's 2,800 people a month searching for this type of video. So if you want to go ahead and drive a lot of traffic to your business or whatever you're doing, then definitely look into YouTube, right? And if you want my system, right, to go ahead and get yourself ranked like this, then yeah, I can definitely help you out. We could book a call and I can see what you do and what your business does and how I can help you. But yeah, let me show you what I've done for my own agency videos. So I kind of repurposed the channel into my own personal channel, because I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna do the dropshipping automation videos anymore. So if you look here, this is a video I posted yesterday, right? Super simple video. All I'm doing is I'm just showing you guys 5 different ways you could generate leads, right? And yeah, look at my channel. It has 73 views, right? 73 views. That's all the video has. And look, if you go up and look at B2B SMMA, right, which is, if you think about it, that's a really important keyword that you could be targeting, right? Go ahead and search that up, B2B SMMA. Guess who's ranking up there with some of the top gurus, right? Like, have you guys ever heard of me? Like, I don't think any of you guys have heard of me, right? Like, I know you guys have not heard of me, right? And look at me, I'm 73 views on a pretty much a brand new channel. This is the first video in the niche I've uploaded. Yeah, I've gone ahead and ranking with some of the top SMMA people in the space, right? Levi Ariola, Max Perzin, 500,000 views. I'm ranking above a video like this. I'm ranking above Iman Gadzhi, Rafi Abuvala. I'm ranking above him, So guys, YouTube, it's tons of opportunity. It's super easy for you to rank, right? Because like you go into a tool like this, it tells you exactly which keywords, right? You can go ahead and rank for. So like, let's say, let's just take for example, you're a web design agency for say your niche or lawyers. How to build a attorney. How the fuck do you spell attorney? Attorney website. How do you spell attorney again? I can't remember how to spell attorney. Okay. Where was that tab? How to build an attorney website. Right. Yeah, you could look at different keywords, right? Like, this is probably a harder keyword to target, but virtual law firm. Like, if you're a virtual law firm, then yeah, like you look 3,300 people a month that are searching for the keyword, and it's very low competition, so it means it's going to be very easy for you to rank up there, right? um, but yeah, I'm also ranking for some harder keywords as well. Like as you saw, I was ranking for the medium difficulty keyword, and that's because I actually have a system that I actually have set up in place. So if you look here, like the very low, like just if you take a look at the color here, if it's green, it means it's super 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 easy, just like, you know, green light for you to rank for it. So stuff like that would be like Bitcoin right now, crypto, and for the most part, stuff like, you know, B2B stuff. A lot of videos and a lot of topics they just don't have any videos, right? And the way YouTube ranks you is the better video you have and the more like valuable your content is, the higher you're gonna rank. So yeah, if you want to like get a ton of reach and, you know, get a ton of like pretty much free advertising, right? Because every time someone sees, you know, this thumbnail, right, that's like an impression of an ad. And how much are you paying, right? If you are running ads on Facebook, if you're running ads on Google, if you're just running ads on YouTube, even, you're easily paying, right, to get in front of 1,000 people. You're easily paying 50 up to upwards of $500, right, to Facebook, to Google, you know, to whoever, Twitter, if you want to advertise there. So yeah, take advantage of YouTube, right? Make a YouTube channel. Take advantage of a tool like this. And like I said, if you want my system to pretty much consistently rank for, you know, keywords for your niche, right? And, you know, not only just keywords but high buyer intent keywords, right? So like I run a lead generation agency, and, you know, my topic is how to generate B2B leads for your agency, right? And I'm ranking for B2B SMMA, how to find B2B leads. You know, these are all leads of people who are, you know, agency owners, you know, in the B2B space, and who are looking for B2B leads, right? And who could potentially want, you know, to, you know, have their lead generation outsourced. So, you know, I'm putting an ad out there, and it's pretty much free advertising. So think about it, right? Once I start actually building up this YouTube channel with a bunch of videos, think about the amount of money I can make, right? The amount of appointments I could book onto my calendar. It's all just, it's all for free out there, you know? It's crazy, but yeah, just go ahead and like I said, I'm the owner of Expansively. If you need lead generation outsourced, we book 100 appointments in 60 days for B2B agency owners, for B2B coaches and consultants. And yeah, if you want to rank your business, if you want to rank yourself as well on YouTube, you know, for different keywords, then go ahead and, you know, book a call as well down below, or reach out to me on any of my social platforms. And yeah, I'll see how I can help you develop a strategy just for you and your business. But yeah, if you found value from this video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, yeah, just go ahead and, you know, make sure to tune in.